now to tell you what Nigeria look like. This one na father have children. This one na father have children. Now these two fathers, they are fighting themselves. As they are fighting themselves, their children are watching. Their children are looking at them, that they are fighting themselves. Now let me ask you a question. When their children will start fighting each other, fighting themselves, how will these fathers to separate them? Now when the children will start fighting their own, who will separate them? Is it that the same fathers that are fighting themselves will come to separate their children for fighting themselves? Have you seen what Nigeria look like? Nigeria politicians, they are the first people that start this tribalism, fighting other tribes, Now the individual don't start their own. The individual have started their own. During the election, during the presidential election, all of you see how some Yorubas are persecuting Igbo, maltreating them, telling them, if you want to vote for P2B, come out from here. And all the politicians in Nigeria keep quiet because now them start that fight. That is why they no one condemn them. When I see what they are saying to Igbos in Lagos, that all their property they bought, all their land, Igbos must leave it and go. Now we Yorubas will take it. And all the Yorubas elders and all the Yorubas politicians, all of them keep quiet. They no one condemn them. Because now them started this fight that the children are fighting now. Now the fathers, now the Nigerian politicians, now them start this battle. Now they start fighting themselves. Tribalism, tribal war. Now the citizens, they are don't start their own. If the children are fighting themselves, do you think their fathers will come to separate them? If their fathers will come to separate them, they will say to the fathers, now you people started this fight, and now you people teach us how to do the fight. Because the children are there, their fathers are fighting each other. That is how Nigeria look like. Nigeria politicians, they are the people that started this tribalism. Born to rule are born to serve. Who are born to rule? Yoruba, Hausa, and the Fulani are born to rule. Niger Delta and the Edo people and the Igbos, they are born to serve. Tribalism. That is what is happening. So now them start this battle. Before I land up this message, Yoruba people, I know say una no like Igbos. I know say you people hate Igbos. Even the other pastor said that I will not be a Yoruba man. Go and vote for Igbo. I have seen many videos threatening Igbos. I don't see them. I know say Yoruba people when I hate Igbo well. But please, I want to ask you people one thing before I land this message up. If una see Igbo man where one buy on a land, whether that Igbo man carry 100 billion, make una no say that land for that Igbo man or woman. Please, Yorubas, if una see any Igbo man or woman one buy land in Lagos or any Yoruba land, make una no sell them. Make una no say that land to Igbo people. Please, make una start from that place. We go like them. Because you get our brothers, our sisters, we know they here. We are warning them they should stop buying land and building anything in Lagos. They know they here. But please, you people should help us, Yorubas. If any Igbo man or woman want to buy land in Lagos or any Yoruba land, make una no say that land to that person. Please, if I start from that place, I'll be very happy. Edo people and Igbo know they have problem. Edo people and Igbo, they are good friends. I don't know how this thing started. Look at what is happening in Nigeria. During the time they are telling Igbos, you people must leave your property, leave your land. You will leave all those things and you go. Now we Yorubas will take it. During the time where Yorubas are threatening Igbos, persecuting them in Lagos, don't you people know that they are putting fuel in fire? Don't you know now them started this battle now, this thing that is trending online, and the House of Leb, everybody are condemning this woman. Though me, I'm condemning her for making that short statement. All of you are condemning her. If the same way you people are condemning this woman now, that you people are condemning all those people that are doing tribalism in Nigeria, this thing will not happen.